Welcome back to the Easy Cooking Club, where we make delicious meals the easy way. Today, we're going to be diving into a hearty beef stew that your whole family is going to love. Let's get started. All right, we're all set up here with our crock pot, our janky table. We've got our beef, of course, our potatoes, our onions and garlic, our sliced celery, our sliced carrots, our tomato paste, various spices, and some cornstarch. And then, of course, we just have a store-bought beef broth. First thing we're going to do, we're just going to get all of our potatoes in. Then we're going to go ahead and put in our carrots, our celery. We've got our onions and our grated garlic. Then we're going to take our cornstarch and our spices, and we're going to throw them in with the meat. Now for our spices, we've got some paprika, we've got some thyme, we've got some oregano, some basil, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt and pepper, of course. Now, at the end of this, before we say it's fully finished, we're going to check it to see if our seasoning is good or if we need a little more salt or a little more of any other spice. Once this is all mixed up, we're just going to get it in lying on top here. Make sure to get any extra seasoning and cornstarch that's sitting in the bottom of that. Make sure that gets in there. Go ahead and just shove it all down. It's okay. As you can see, it's pretty packed in here. We're just going to take tomato paste, put in a couple of tablespoons or so. As always, very accurate measurements here. Then we're going to take our beef broth. Get this all poured in. Here's a tip for you. I didn't do it for this one because it's just a simple single box. But if you cut a hole right here as you're before you pour, it'll actually come out without doing that glug motion. So now we're going to go ahead and cover it up, and we're going to get it started. We're going to cook this for probably about 5 or 6 hours. And then we're going to check the potatoes, because those are the things that, if they're not soft, your stew is not going to be good. But I'll see you back here in a few minutes. Okay, guys, it's been about 6 hours. So let's go ahead and take a look. It looks like it's actually thickened up nicely here, so we don't have to use a cornstarch slurry or anything. Let's go ahead and check our seasoning. Seasoning is good. So we can go ahead and get a couple of ladles out there. And there we have it. This cozy hearty beef stew is comfort food made easy. And if you like this recipe, why not give us a like by clicking on that thumbs up button. And then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our tasty meals coming up. And while you're at it, you might as well hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of our recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye-bye now.